Hello students, Jai Shri Ncert. Now let's move forward. Exercise 7.2, question number 6. Okay, so first of all, read this question. If 1, 2, 4y, x6 and 3, 5 are the vertices of parallelogram taken in order, find x and y. That means these 4 are the vertices of a parallelogram, right? These 4 are the vertices of parallelogram. We need to find x and y. Okay, and this vertex we need to take it in order. So first of all, draw one parallelogram. A, B, C, D. Now your A 1, 2, B 4y, C x6 and D 3, 5. We need to find the value of x and y. So here we have two ways. First, that is we can use the distance formula. Okay, we can use the distance formula because distance of AB and CD both are same. Distance of AD and BC both are same. So first of all, we need to compare distance AB is equal to CD. From that we will get one equation. Then BC is equal to AD. From that we get the second equation. After that we need to solve that two equation, and from that we can find the value of x and y. But it's a lengthy process. Okay. Now in place of that, here it is given that vertex of parallelogram. That means this is one parallelogram. Now join the diagonals. Okay, so here diagonal AC and BD intersect at O, and we are giving AB. Okay. Now use the property of parallelogram. In parallelogram, diagonal bisect each other. In parallelogram, diagonal bisect each other. Bisect each other means what? It divides the diagonal into two equal parts. That means AO is equal to CO. It means that O is the midpoint of AC. Okay? Diagonal bisect each other means divides into two equal parts. So O divides AC into two equal parts. It means O is the midpoint of AC. Same thing for diagonal BD. O is the midpoint of BD because OB is equal to OD. That is the property of parallelogram. Diagonal bisect each other. Okay? Diagonals bisect each other. That means AC divided into two equal parts. AO is equal to CO. So O is the midpoint of AC. Then BO is equal to OD. So O is also the midpoint of BD. So that property we need to use it. Okay? In parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. So O is midpoint of AC and O is midpoint of BD. Now यदि हम AC का यूज करें और midpoint O फाइंड करें, अदरवाइज BD का यूज करें और midpoint O फाइंड करें, सो दोनों वे से midpoint तो सेम ही आएगा, राइट? क्योंकि O तो एक ही पॉइंट है. तो आइदर आप AC से फाइंड करो, अदरवाइज BD से फाइंड करो. दोनों ही वे से O जो है O कैसा आने वाला है? सेम, राइट? AC का यूज करें या BD का यूज करें, दोनों ही वे से midpoint O है वो तो सेम ही आएगा. Okay, so now here use the midpoint formula. Use the midpoint formula. So O AB is equal to, what is the midpoint formula? X1 plus X2 divided by 2, Y1 plus Y2 divided by 2. That means addition of X coordinate divided by 2, addition of Y coordinate divided by 2. Now here, first of all, we are using that O is the midpoint of AC. Now for A and C, x coordinate 1 and x. So 1 plus x divided by 2. Then y coordinate 2 plus 6 by 2. Okay, what is the midpoint formula? Addition of x coordinate divided by 2, x1 plus x2 by 2, and addition of y coordinate divided by 2, that means y1 plus y2 by 2. So here addition of x coordinate x plus 1 by 2, here 6 plus 2 by 2. Now same thing we can use for the diagonal BD. Addition of x coordinate 4 plus 3 by 2, addition of y coordinate y plus 5 divided by 2. Okay, so O is midpoint of AC. So by using AC we can find the O, and by using BD we can find the O. Now O is a single point, so it's 7. Now it means that this first coordinate is 7, and second coordinate is also 7. ओके, एग्जैक्टली हम क्या कर रहे हैं, दोनों ही वे से हमने O फाइंड किया है. अब O तो सेम ही आएगा, दोनों ही वे से, तो दोनों के x कोऑर्डिनेट सेम आएंगे, दोनों के y कोऑर्डिनेट सेम आएंगे. ओके, क्या यूज कर रहे हैं कि O जो है वो दोनों का मिड पॉइंट है, AC का और BD का. तो हम O फाइंड कर रहे हैं दो वे से, AC का मिड पॉइंट, BD का मिड पॉइंट, बट वो आएगा तो सेम ही. तो दोनों के x कोऑर्डिनेट सेम आएंगे, दोनों के y कोऑर्डिनेट same आएंगे. Okay, so now here x 1 plus x by 2, 4 plus 3 7 by 2. Okay, transfer this 2 to the right hand side. So here we have 7 by 2. Now this divide 2 goes to in the numerator, so 2 cut. So 1 plus x is equals to 7. Transfer this 1 to the left hand side, right hand side. So it becomes minus. Here we have 7. This plus 1 becomes minus 1, and 7 minus 1 6. So x is equal to 6. Okay. Now from here 6 plus 2 8 by 2, y plus 5 by 2. Now transfer this 2 to the left hand side. So it goes to the numerator. So here you want to cut. So 8 is equal to y plus 5. Transfer this 5 to the left hand side, it becomes minus. So y is equal to 8 minus 5, 3. So x is 6, y 3. That is the answer. Okay, it's a very easy question. What we need to do? O is the midpoint of AC, O is the midpoint of BD. This is the property of parallelogram. So OAB. First of all, find by using the diagonal AC. After that, find the midpoint O by using diagonal BD. Okay. OAB is equal to 1 plus x by 2, x coordinate divided by 2, addition of y coordinate divided by 2 is equal to. Now use the diagonal BD. 4 plus 3 by 2, 5 plus 5 by 2. Okay, दोनों ही वे से आंसर जो आएगा वो कैसा आएगा, सेम, that means equal. So x coordinate same, y coordinate same. From here we can find the value of x. From here we can find the value of y. Okay. After that, question number 7. Find the coordinate of a point A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2 minus 3 and B 1 by 4. Sorry, 1 and 4. Now here we have one circle, one diagonal we have AB. We need to find A. So give x1 and x2. Sorry, x1 by 1. Now B we know that is 1 4. X2 by 2. And center it is also given to us 2 minus 3. Okay. We have one circle. AB is a diameter, and diameter always passing from center O. Okay. Diameter always pass through the center O. Okay. So A x1 by 1 that we need to find. B given to us 1 4 and O 2 minus 3. Now one more thing that we know that O, that means center, is a midpoint of diagonal AB because OA is radius, OB is radius, both are equal. That means center O is midpoint of diameter AB. Right? It's always true. center is a midpoint of diameter AB, because here we have radius, here we have radius. That means both parts are equal. It means O is a midpoint of AB. Okay, so here center O 2 minus 3 is midpoint of diameter AB. Okay, center O is a midpoint of diameter AB. So now use the midpoint formula. O xy is equals to, what is the midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Now O xy, that is given to us 2 and minus 3. Now x1 that we don't know, so as it is x2 1 divided by 2. y1 we don't know, so as it is y2 4 divided by 2. Okay, now coordinates of midpoint, that is already given to us. So now we need to compare x coordinate with x coordinate. So 2 is equals to x1 plus 1 by 2. And y coordinate with y coordinate. So minus 3 is equals to y1 plus 4 by 2. Okay, so sometimes हमें midpoint find करना होता है और काफी टाइम midpoint दिया हो तो हम उनका यूज करके और भी coordinates find कर सकते हैं. ओके, यहाँ पे मिड पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट्स तो हमें ऑलरेडी पता ही है, हम इनके कोऑर्डिनेट फाइंड कर रहे हैं. तो फर्स्ट वैल्यू के साथ फर्स्ट इक्वल होगी, सेकंड के साथ सेकंड इक्वल होगी. दैट मींस x कोऑर्डिनेट के साथ x कोऑर्डिनेट, y कोऑर्डिनेट के साथ y कोऑर्डिनेट इक्वल होगी. सो नाउ फ्रॉम हियर ट्रांसफर दिस 2 टू द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. सो 2 मल्टीप्लाई 2, दिस डिवाइड 2 goes to the numerator. So here x1 plus 1. Now 2 2s are 4. Transfer this plus 1 to the left hand side, it becomes minus 1. So x1 is equal to 4 minus 1, 3. And from here, transfer this 2 to the left hand side. Here we have minus 3. This divide 2 goes to the numerator and multiply 2. So y1 plus 4. Now plus minus minus, 3 2s are 6. Now transfer this plus 4 to the left hand side, it becomes minus 4. Is equals to y1. So y1 is equals to minus minus plus 6 plus 4 10. Big number 6 have negative sign, so negative sign. So here y1 is equals to minus 10. It means that our coordinate of point A is 3 minus 10. Okay, so A x1 y1 is equals to 3 minus 10. Okay, our final answer is 3 minus 10. So here center is always the midpoint of diameter. So use the midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. After that compare x coordinate with x, y coordinate with y. From that we will get the value of x1 and y1. Okay, so students, if you have any doubt in these questions, please write down in comment section. I'll give you the answer. Thank you.